Yoga is the light which once lit will never dim. The better you practice, the brighter the flame. BKS Iyengar. Welcome to Island Power Yoga 200-hour Power Vinyasa teacher training. We are thrilled you're considering taking this training and expanding your own yoga journey. During this training, we will cover yoga asana, the history and philosophy, exploring the Yoga Sutras, and diving into the yamas and yamas together. You will learn yoga anatomy and physiology as it relates to a yoga practice. We will coach you on the elements of teaching and how to communicate clearly and with intention. We cover ethics and the importance of sharing yoga in a safe and nurturing environment. You will learn to sequence, and you will teach a live class. You will build community and relationships with your fellow students. You will show up for yourself in a more confident and self-assured way. We are thrilled to coach you along this path and along your yoga journey. You will earn a 200-hour Yoga Alliance certification. Your coaches are Chieko, Katie, Jamie, and Danny, and we look forward to connecting with you this summer. Aloha.